Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how fix error PC Ethernet cable connected but no internet Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix error PC Ethernet cable connected but no internet Windows 11 validating the adapter. To start, enter View in the search box. Click on View Network Connections. First, right-click on the adapter and select Disable. Wait for it to complete. After this, right-click on the adapter and this time select Enable. Wait for the adapter to activate. After that, click on Diagnose this connection. You can see that the wizard tells you the current status and other solutions are presented to us. Chapter 2. How to fix error PC Ethernet cable connected but no internet Windows 11 updating driver. To start, right-click on Start and select Device Manager. You're going to go to the Network Adapters section. Here, right-click on the driver. Select Update Driver. Now click on Search automatically for drivers and wait for this process to finish. Chapter 3. How to fix error PC Ethernet cable connected but no internet Windows 11 reestablishing connection. To start, enter CMD in the search box. Click Run as Administrator and then click Yes to access. First of all, you are going to reset the IP. Run the command Netsh int IP reset, press enter. After this, you will release the IP run ipconfig/release. After that, renew your IP address. Run ipconfig/renew. Finally, free the DNS cache. Run ipconfig/flushdns. For all these changes to take effect, you must reboot your system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 4. How to fix error PC Ethernet cable connected but no internet Windows 11 resetting the network. To get started, click Start, then in Settings. You're going to go to Network and Internet and then click on Advanced Network Settings. Now select Network Reset. After that, click on Reset Now and you must confirm this task. After that, restart Windows so that the process finishes correctly and you have access to the network. Chapter 5. How to fix error PC Ethernet cable connected but no internet Windows 11 adjusting DNS. To begin, click Start, then in Settings. Then in the Network and Internet section, click on Ethernet. Here, click Edit in the DNS Server Assignment section, and you will do the following. First, select Manual and activate the IPv4 switch. Then, enter the address to use and click Save. Chapter 6. How to fix error PC Ethernet cable connected but no internet Windows 11 reinstalling driver. To start, right-click on Start and select Device Manager. You're going to go to the Network Adapters section. Here, right-click on the driver. Select Uninstall Device, and you must confirm this process again. When you do not see the network adapter, in the Action menu, click on Scan for hardware changes. After a moment, the adapter will be available again. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.